Hello everyone, my name is Linda Rosie. My register number is ur15cs223. Today I am going to explain the second program in database, that is basic SQL. So now here we are going to use the commands related to the DML, DCL and the TCL. So first we are so this is the given schema and then the data set. So now based on this we are going to perform operations on the tables. So first is insert the above values to the corresponding table. So here for inserting this, the command is insert into table name values and then followed by the column name. So when we use ampersand, the value can be entered manually and then followed by all the column names. So now after creating one row, we can use the backslash to create the next row and so on. So like first here I have created for the membership because member number acts as a foreign key in student number. So hence the member table should be the value should be inserted first in that, so that those values can be mapped to the student table. So here I have run for the member table, and then for the student table same thing, I have run insert into student values and followed by all the attributes of that table. So that is student number, student name, department and member number. And here I have inserted all the values. So I have created all the rows based on this. And the next is for inserting values into the table book. I am using insert into book values followed by all the other column names like book number, book name, price, category, author. So by using this, I am inserting all the values and then I am creating each and every row. And then the next is issue record. So for that I am giving insert into issue record values and then after that all the column names, and then I'm inserting value inside that. So that's it about the inserting the values. The next question is we are asked to display a query to display the records of the table. So for that we give select star from the table name. So if it's membership, the membership table is displayed, and the next is student, the book, and then the issue record. And the next query is update the record from issue record table where issue number should be equal to 169 and modify the fine amount to 125. So to update the values we use the update command. So here we use update issue record set fine is equal to some particular value where the issue number is 169. So when we give this command, it automatically gets updated. And then the next is delete the record from order where issue number is 168. So we give delete from issue record where the issue number is 168. And then the next one, we asked to undo the delete operation. And then the next one, display the records of the issue record whose fine amount is greater than 100. So to find out that, we give select star from issue record where fine is greater than 100. So when we give this, the fine like 150, 250, 125 only that is displayed, which is less than 100 is not displayed. And then the next query is create a new user liveman, grant, insert, delete and update privileges to libman and then libraryman, and then after that revoke the privileges. So for that we use these commands. So create user, the user name which is identified by a particular name, that is pass1. So now I can grant any operations like insert, delete, update on any table to the user. So here I have given insert, delete, update on student to the user. And then for revoke I use the same thing, but instead of grant I use revoke, and then I use from the username. And then the next one is to implement save point, rollback and commit. So this one is save point, and then you can give any name for the save point name, and the same thing goes even for rollback. And then the next one is show the student names with their membership numbers, and show the issues for the current date with student name and the book names. So for that we give select the student name and the member number from student, so it displays only the student name and the member number. And then after that we use these queries, and then after that even for changing the issue date to the current date, we can give rename to do this. That's it for the second exercise. Thank you.